Tight space, big equipment, can't see a thing. And the container truck just keeps going. Collision was coming no matter what. This thing used to lift 40 tons like it was nothing. 80 tons? Still handled it. But now, this is its last lift. Not because it broke down or anything. It just did its time. This is the end. Trailer height gets adjusted wrong. 200 tons loses balance and spills into the field. Lucky the gas cylinder was empty. Lucky nobody lived nearby. Could have been catastrophic. Kamaz just tips over in the middle of the job site. Sounds ridiculous, but now it's stuck on its side. Good thing the excavator was nearby to flip it back. Yacht's off the trailer. Looks stable. Looks fine. Then the weight shifts just a little bit. That fly bridge up top throws everything off. And down it goes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Classic rookie move. See something stuck? Hook it up, pull. No thinking, no talking to the other guys. Just yank and hope. And that's how things go sideways, fast. This isn't just a turn. It's a full exam for the Scania R620. Loads so long that one mistake could wreck everything. Drivers gotta be locked in. Every move counts.
There we go, we got surf cameras right there.
Oh, there's no way.
Oh my God.
Whoa! There's no way he's making this thing. He's gonna try again. I wonder if we put a quarter under there, will it squish it?
Yeah.
Like the railroad tracks. Hey, it's from Jersey. He's from straight this time. You think he's gonna turn?
I don't know.
Maybe
Maybe
he's gonna try again. I'll get in that. Yeah, oh no, he's not gonna try it again. It's a big round thing too.
It's so good. I mean, he's gonna be taking a boat things on the road.
Regular turn for a regular truck. But this thing's carrying oversized cargo. A few centimeters decide everything. Either it clears the corner or it's stuck, blocking the whole intersection.
Get out of here.
Woo! Have a good day, brother.
Good job.
Я думаю, пинай, говорит, по колесу, да, ложи ее нафиг. Сейчас он... О, ёбаный в рот! Пизда, ведь.
Really?
Just keep out of the road, Bruce, please. Right.
355-ton transformer rolling through city streets. You don't see that every day. And there's a reason. City roads weren't made for this kind of weight. Infrastructure's old. Traffic's everywhere. Every single meter of this move is a gamble. Ever seen an excavator flatten a car? Some people can't stop watching. There's something about heavy machinery crushing things that just pulls you in.
Oh! Oh!
Oh. 26-ton cement mixer stuck in the mud. This isn't just spinning your tires and getting out. This is a full engineering problem. Traction's completely gone. Ground's not stable. You can't just yank it out. Every part of the rescue has to be thought through, or you make it worse.